Hi guys, it's 12:10 at night and we have decided to go out because we're not liking sitting at home. So now we're going out and we will figure out a place that where should we go क्योंकि अभी तक हमें नहीं पता है कि कहाँ जाना है because it's already too late, but then there are few cafes in Delhi जो open रहते हैं. So let's see कहाँ जाते हैं. I'll take you along with me. Literally 12:15. I mean ये थोड़ी सी फास्ट है मेरी घड़ी हो चुका है. Oh, this is reminding me of the CP Plus camera. ऊपर वाला सब दिखता है. Are you ready? Ankit is getting ready and I'm already ready. I just need to change my footwear and that's it. I am ready. Both of us are ready now and we're leaving. What time is it, Abhi?
12:25.
मेरे घर की सारी घड़ियों में अलग अलग टाइम दिखता है क्योंकि मैंने उस हिसाब से करा है कि जिस रूम में जो सो रहा है उसको कितनी जल्दी हो सकती है सुबह उठने की. Let's go.
Let's go.
इतनी देर से इतनी लेट करती है ये लिफ्ट खुलने में. Finally, now we're heading towards our car. ऐसे impromptu plans are something I love. I never used to love it before. पहले मुझे बहुत irritation होती थी, but I think I've now become more used to it. So yeah, ये बॉटल तो फिट ही नहीं होती अंदर. गलत बॉटल है ये मैं. एंड वी हैव गुरुजी हियर. ये गुरुजी की भी कोई स्टोरी है. मैं एक बार गई थी गुरुग्राम, अगर आपने वो व्लॉग देखा होगा ताज वाला, तो हम जब अपनी फर्स्ट एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट करने वहाँ पे गए थे, उसके बाद वी वेंट फॉर अ कार वॉश और वहाँ पे हमें एक अंकल मिले जिन्होंने आउट ऑफ नो वेयर हमें ये दिया और इनका ब्रेसलेट दिया. तब से मैंने इनको अपने प्रोटेक्शन के लिए कार में रखा हुआ है. ऑल्सो वी हैव दिस बुक रामचरितमानस. Can you pass it? We have this book also in my car. I think ये मेरे पास जनवरी से है और मैं कार में रखती हूँ इसे हमेशा फॉर प्रोटेक्शन एंड गुड वाइब्स. और हम ट्रैफिक में फंस गए हैं एट 12:43. लाइक व्हाट द हेल. आई थिंक ये रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है यहाँ पे, इस वजह से हम यहाँ ट्रैफिक में फंस गए हैं. NH24. We did not expect this. We did not check the Google Maps also.
मतलब रात में लग रहा है 7:30 बजे का ट्रैफिक.
I swear, यहाँ पे एक्चुअली इतना ही ट्रैफिक लगता है ऑफिस आवर्स में. एंड इट्स सो अनफॉर्चुनेट कि ये लगा हुआ है कब निकलेगा कब चलेगा कुछ पता नहीं है. ये देखिए पूरी बैरिकेडिंग है और अपेरेंटली पीछे किसी बैरिकेडिंग को तोड़ा गया है और गाड़ियाँ घुसना शुरू हो गई थी, तो फिर हर तरफ ट्रैफिक जैम हो गया. रीच्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब ऑफ इंडिया के अंदर है बेसिकली. और अब हम भी फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं अभी कहाँ पे. वी हैव नो क्लू बट देयर आर पीपल. अंकित, पीपल आर हियर. दैट्स क्रेजी. दिस इज़ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब ऑफ इंडिया और यहाँ से इसका एंट्रेंस शुरू है. This is the cafe from outside and there are people. We didn't expect रात के 1 बजे इतने लोग होंगे. We thought of not dressing up at all and now we see people. And This is the vibe here. Too many people. But it's so nice that you can find something like this at midnight hours. This is their menu. It's pretty affordable, right?
Yeah.
I've heard their burrito bowls are really nice. They have vada pav also, and masala vada pav and pav bhaji also, if you want to eat. And these are the quesadilla wraps, panini sandwiches. This is the coffee section. Our food is here. We have a cup of chai, two vada pav, some chicken momo, and this is the Mexican nachos. So this is like our after dinner meal that we're gonna have, and it's a lot.
This salsa looks nice.
Yeah, the salsa on the top looks really good. No, they haven't given fork, knife, anything.
I just get nachos.
Nachos are really good. Wow, did not expect. So good. The cream is so good. The salsa is so good.
Bad decision.
Not good. Vada pav he didn't like. Rejected by a Mumbaikar.
I barely can see vada, and they've added
Some
Weird chutney.
chutney. Yeah, I saw that and I was like, he is not gonna like it. They've added some like watery chutney, right? The dip is like,
garlic.
can I have a bite? Just to understand.
I didn't understand the movie.
I think they've added some sauce which is like
Yeah.
not vada pav.
Garlic chili sauce.
Yeah, it's like what is that? What we ate in the dinner yesterday. Pav bhaji. सिर्फ भाजी का जो सॉस होता है ना, टोमेटो ही, मतलब इसमें गार्लिक वो मिसिंग है, द गार्लिक पाउडर जो ऐड करते हैं इसमें, दैट इज मिसिंग.
Some other taste only.
Yeah, it's different. It's not tasting like a vada pav. However, the nachos are really good, and I'm gonna test these. I think they've added this chutney into vada pav.
Yeah.
I think guys need to start adding the actual powder chutney, which is like garlic wali, red garlic
In
wali.
North it's called as gunpowder.
Gunpowder बोलते हैं, but वो होता नहीं है gunpowder. Gunpowder is different. It's orange in color. Momo also not nice. It's bland. कोई taste नहीं आ रहा है. Salt, nothing. Chutney is also not good. We are inside the Constitution of India's building. This is their washroom. And I'll also show you the outside, whatever I can record. Now we've ordered some jasmine tea because honestly really disappointed with the food. Liked the food somewhat, like I like the nachos, but my momo is sitting here for the dogs. Even dogs refuse to eat it. So now I'm gonna have some jasmine tea.
I guess I'll be feeding that nachos also to dogs only.
Nachos is still fine,
No, nachos are good, no doubt.
but vada pavs are.
No. That was.
That's
complete
definitely
murder
not
of the
vada
food.
pav.
I would not recommend. Though I am in Delhi and I've had good vada pavs in Delhi. Not that, I mean, you cannot compare Delhi and Mumbai, but still better given the standards and given people are not from Mumbai who are making it, so still appreciate it. But this, no, it's a complete bummer. So I would say no. Do not even dare to try.
and this is another section which looks so beautiful. I'll take you guys. See, this is the Constitution Club of India. I think इसीलिए इतना beautiful बना हुआ है ना. This is how this portion looks. I don't know ये एरिया किस चीज़ के लिए है, बट वो रहा कैफ़े उस तरफ, और यहाँ पे इस तरह का बनाया हुआ है. अगर आपको ये व्लॉग पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल को, और ऐसे ही व्लॉग्स को लाइक करते रहें, वेट करें और नए व्लॉग्स का. टिल देन, बाय.